Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures daily chart. What you're seeing, the bulls pushed above the 2120, 2119 area that was a problem yesterday. It's been a problem basically the entire month of June. Traded as high as 2122. That was given back a little bit in the overnight. The bulls were pushing higher. We've got maybe a 4 or 5 handle dip here on some comments out of one of the Fed members. We'll have to see how this plays out during the course of the regular session. I would expect a morning dip. That morning dip will be bought, as it was yesterday. The question becomes, what do the bears do with the pop off of that dip? We have not taken out yesterday's highs. You've got a Globex high of 2120 half. If the dip buy can't exceed 2120 half and breaks below the Globex low 2114, then you can see a move down to challenge the 2111 area, which was a problem for the bears yesterday. If you're able to push through there, then you could conceivably go down and deal with the middle band. What I suspect is going to happen is we're going to end up with a higher low. We'll get a dip buy. We may get a lower high versus 2120 half. Then we get a higher low versus 14. Then the issue becomes, do we chop around the rest of the day, or do the bulls, take it a little bit higher? I'm pretty much in the inside day camp today. 2120 half might hold, may not deal with 22. Of course, all of this is subject to not getting a major story with respect to Greece. If Greece is a story, then we're going to move. We're going to move significantly in one direction or the other. We're in a headline fueled tape. So it's one of those situations where you have to use stops, control your size, and understand that it only takes one headline to move things. But a headline and a Twitter rumor are two different things. Twitter rumors can be faded back. When we get a true headline, when there's true resolution on Greece, then I'll be very interested to see what the reaction is off the initial move. If it's simply taking unknowns out of the market and we're simply kicking the can down the road, and there's no reason to believe that isn't exactly what's going on here, then you may see a little bit of a downward move, even on a deal after the initial pop. It could come anytime. Just use stops, control your size. Don't be running around in big positions with no stops on because, like I said, it only takes one headline. But for this morning, let's keep an eye on what the dip buyers do. Then keep an eye on 14. Keep an eye on 11. A break of 11 opens up mid-band. Above 22, then you start to see the upper band here at 2130 become a magnet. All right, everybody have a great day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.